I wanted to come to the summit because I know that I am made for more. And there's been times when I've been complacent and I have limiting beliefs that have prevented me from truly living up to my potential. I want to make a bigger impact in the world. And I knew that I would figure it out by coming here.
Money is simply an expansion tool of the heart. Good people need to be the ones walking in wealth, walking in abundance. So much of abundance starts with just healing your heart and recognizing it's not actually holy to be broke.
Our mission, goal, purpose here is to elevate, to transcend, to heal, and allow individuals to fully and finally step into their true calling, their true purpose, and to know, feel, and see abundance.
If you want to be God's hands and feet, it's going to take resources. It's going to take having more than enough to just pay for yourself and your own family.
It's not just about money, it's with everything. And it's okay to want more out of your life, to live the best version of your life. Oh, I've seen so many shifts. I mean, I've seen God touch a lot of people too, and just open their minds and hearts to accept it and not feel guilty for wanting more. There is nothing wrong for being a better leveled up person.
You know, prior to this event, I viewed abundance just from a monetary component. But now I see that it's so much bigger than that. Abundant mindset, abundant health, abundant wealth, abundant relationships. You know, abundance from the viewpoint of being able to give and just do abundant things to change the world versus just seeing it from a monetary perspective.
I knew within the first few hours of being here that this was going to be one of, if not the most impactful few days of my life. That's absolutely the truth. People are holding space for other people, which is just a beautiful gift. To allow your voice to be heard without judgment is one of the gifts I've received. I mean, it really is magical here.
Having a group of people who will cheer you on, you know, when you're having your triumphs and your trials, it feels like there's no amount of money that can buy that. But it's cultivated here. This is what we attract here at the Ariel, is that community, and I love it so much.
If you want to fast track your possibilities surrounding abundance, financial, relationships, negative, self-talk, limiting beliefs, this is the place to come to.
I've developed a deep respect for abundance. It is a worthy goal. It's something we all need to be striving to get, but it's way more than financial abundance. Just being thankful for who you are, what you've come from, and the goals you're setting in your life is abundance. Having your health is abundance, because the greatest wealth is health. It just is.
I received a breakthrough this week. Things that I had been praying for, I received answers to those prayers this week, and I'm leaving with new friends, truly a network of people who I believe are genuine, who want to help me. Our different causes aren't competing. We really want to be a force for good, truly, and save people in the world and push back darkness and fight against evil with everything good that God's given us. And so I'm leaving here with more tools to do that. I'm leaving here with a network of people who I know are going to help me accomplish the goals that I have, the vision that I believe that God's set for me. I'm leaving with that.
So I did the equine experience, a simple lesson with a horse that's been through some things and that's been rescued. You have this giant animal that has this incredible sensory system that is, let's say, 10 times more sensitive than ours. And you have to dig deep to figure out how to get that horse to do what you want it to do. It took everything I had energetically. I had to believe it 100%. And I did, and he did it. It just opens you. It heals you and opens you for reasons that I don't know if anyone can explain.
There is some elemental belief deep down inside, and some of the ones I saw, I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, I don't feel I deserve this. And I think ultimately knowing that those beliefs exist and realizing how to remove them from your life forever, it's kind of like running a marathon with a lot less pebbles in your shoe. One pebble in the shoe of a marathon is very frustrating, but there's a lot of people that have rocks in their shoe. And I feel like we fully removed all those rocks.
I think my takeaway for the Abundance Summit is that I can't wait to figure out how to get everybody that I love here to this spot in one way or another.